Another movie where just seeing the cast already makes you want to watch it is In the Grey, starring Henry Cavill and Jake Gyllenhaal, and directed by Guy Ritchie. This is truly a star-studded film. These three are actually some of my favorite actors, especially Eiza González, who always brings a strong charm whenever she appears on screen. This time, she is in an action heist film, and after watching it, I'm going to share my honest thoughts without wasting time. The story follows a debt recovery team, but they are not ordinary collectors. They handle multi-billion-dollar debts from powerful, influential people who borrowed money from the bank and refused to pay it back. The team is led by Sophia, a lawyer who acts as the leader of the group. However, when the debtors turn out to be extremely dangerous, a lawyer alone is not enough. So two operatives, Bono and C, are assigned to support her, handling action missions, protecting the team, and planning escapes. Each member of the team is highly skilled and far from ordinary. The big question is, can they successfully recover billions of dollars? After watching honestly, this movie is really impressive. It's not just fun during action scenes. The planning, negotiations, and character interactions are also entertaining. Even the humor between characters works really well. This is basically a paradise for fans of heist movies. The film tells its story in a very professional way. It follows highly skilled characters who are experts in their fields. They think fast, act fast, and don't waste time. Once they plan, they execute immediately. The action scenes are exciting, intense, and very professional. Everyone knows their role. Nobody panics, and everything feels well coordinated. Because we already understand the plan, the action scenes feel even more thrilling and clear. I would give this movie 8.5 on 10. This might be one of the best heist-style movies of the year. In the Grey is a film about skilled professionals, a powerful team, and a dangerous mission. If you enjoy smart heist movies, this is definitely worth watching. But as always, watching is believing. Only you can decide how good it really is.